So most charities are run by people who are really passionate about what they do, and they don't necessarily have some of the skills that are needed to run an organization. For example, the financial skills that the students can offer. Charities really struggle to fill treasurer roles. So that's how we came up with the idea of the ACES project, and getting students in who have those skills that are really needed. And matching them with charities that really need the help. So charities have really benefited from the skills that the students have brought to their organization, which then frees up time for them to do other things, other really important things that need doing in the organization, and also just to improve their systems.
So I think we came across ACES about probably 2.5, 3 years ago, and it looked very interesting. What we really needed is a bit of expertise within the office. We run everything ourselves from the Bicester office, and having someone who perhaps is studying a certain subject such as accountancy, which might not necessarily be our strongest point, is really beneficial to us. So they can come in, look through what we've done. I mean, we've been running the business for the last 5 years now, so look through what we've done and maybe advise us on ways we can change, ways we can modify things and just run a bit smoother. It's particularly nice to have students coming in because they are willing and they're very keen to sort of learn a little bit of what goes on, and they tend to do quite well of what we put in front of them, which is lovely.
Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm a second-year student doing accounting and finance, and I've been doing the ACES scheme for the Arch charity. I found it really easy to transfer the theory that I've learnt onto the work I was doing for them because it was a very small charity, and they were very helpful as well with the way that they set out the work for me that I had to do for them. The most enjoyable thing for me was getting the chance to speak to their auditor and their accountant. I also got to speak to them about what to do in the future when I graduate next year. And they also showed me like a few new things that I could do of how to set out the income and the expenditure on an Excel spreadsheet. I do feel my future prospects are better, and I've applied for a summer placement just a couple of weeks ago for PwC. And I think one of the things that they liked about my CV was the fact that I had done some accounting during my spare time and that I have a bit of knowledge.